Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Cloudflare DNS IP address. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the process of updating the IP address for a DNS record inside Cloudflare. This is useful when your website, server, or hosting provider has changed, and you need your domain to point to a new destination. Before you begin, make sure you already know the correct new IPv4 address you want to use, since entering the wrong one can send traffic to the wrong server. Start by opening your Cloudflare dashboard and going to the Domains Overview area of your account. This is the main section where your connected domains are listed, and it gives you access to the management settings for each one. Once you're on the overview page, find and click on the sample domain you want to update. This opens the management page for that specific domain. It's important to select the correct domain here, especially if you manage more than one site in the same Cloudflare account. After that, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on DNS. This section contains all of the DNS-related settings for the selected domain, including the records that control where your traffic is directed. Inside the DNS area, click on Records. This will bring up the list of existing DNS records for the domain. Here you may see records such as A, AAA, SNAME, MX, and others. For changing an IPv4 address, you'll typically be updating an A record, since that record type points a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address. Next, locate the record you want to change and click Edit. This opens the editable settings for that DNS entry. Take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct record name, because many domains have multiple records for the root domain, www, or different subdomains. Now enter the sample IPv4 address into the appropriate field. Make sure the address is typed carefully and formatted correctly, with 4 number groups separated by periods. Even a small typo can prevent your domain from resolving properly. Once you've entered the new IP address, review the record one more time before saving your changes in Cloudflare. After the update, keep in mind that DNS changes can take a little time to fully propagate, depending on caching and TTL settings. If the site doesn't update immediately, that can be normal. And that's it. You've now updated a Cloudflare DNS IP address by opening your domain, going to DNS records, editing the correct entry, and replacing it with a new IPv4 address.